guys, I'm Michael here with the Ratchet and Clank Going Commando walkthrough. Just one little thing before we get started. None of my walkthroughs are going to have the cutscenes of the game actually in it. But other than that, hope you enjoy my videos. Here's the game. Hey guys, we are back on Planet Joba. Back on Planet Joba. And we are going to complete one of the missions. So we have to go back to the battle arena. Alright, so let's see. Alright guys, so we have to do the cage match for the Infiltrator. Just jump, and you'll automatically stick to the wall. Make sure you do it before the entire place gets covered up in lava. And then just use the HK-22 gun or Seeker gun. Alright, then just get out the Heavy Lancer. And then just repeatedly shoot these guys. Alright, now watch out for the meteors. Because they are able to kill you just like they're able to kill your enemies. Alright, now those guys are annoying. There we go. Whoa, and then you'll automatically fall right down here. Alright, so we just got the Infiltrator. So we can continue fighting for bolts or exit the arena. Alright, so the Infiltrator is sort of like the Trespasser from the original game, just stolen, modified by Megacorp to make it better. Alright? So just use the Infiltrator.
Use the left analog stick to pick a path for the green circuit. Connect the circuit back to the start to open the lock.
So that's what you have to do. So just kind of go in a random order. And you only have a certain amount of time, alright? So just kind of go in a random order. If you mess up and you run out of time, you will have to restart. So just return to ship. Fine. Alright guys, so now we can go to the next planet. Megacorp Armory, Planet Joba. Let's blast off. Hey guys, hope you've enjoyed my Ratchet and Clank Going Commando walkthrough. Thanks for watching. Please watch the next ones if you have trouble on those levels. Comment if you liked it. Subscribe. Thanks.